So you want to make sure that get these off. It's a little cumbersome, but try and pop them off without breaking. Yeah, piece broke off already. That's how they get brittle and hard and just come apart, because they're subject to heat. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and use the pliers to try and get them off. One of the other ways that you can try and get these off is getting a screwdriver, slim or maybe a little thicker, and just pry from behind, and they should pop off. So I got this, and now I got to get this one. This one's a little tougher because of the moving parts, but I'll pry it off the same way. Alright, so the next thing would be to connect. See, these are already set up back to front. And you would connect this one to here, and then this one to there. Right? And you would put it on, and that's how we're going to connect it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Dremel to clean off this piece here. And kind of clean off the surface rust as well. So it'll be nice and smooth, so hopefully it doesn't get hung up and stuck. And I'm going to put a little bearing grease on all of these to make sure that they're smooth. So when I put on the new piece, it's going to stay and move. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm not going to record because this is going to make a lot of noise. Alright, I cleaned it off. I got some high temp bearing grease on them, so I'm